In this tutorial, we're going to look at the page. Now, there are many different types of course items inside of Canvas: pages, posts, quizzes, and assignments, as well as external tools. And I know that when I talk about them, I will often say the word page, but actually I mean an assignment. But the page is an actual course type, and it has its own parameters. So let's take a look at that and see how you would use it as a substitute. And so to get to pages, you can either choose the pages index if it's over here in their index, in their left menu bar. And what this does is it shows all the pages that are in the course. Now, one of the downsides is that it does not have a folder structure that, say, files do, but they might organize it by using prefixes inside their page title. So for example, here you can see that my lesson pages here, 1.1, 1.2, because it is going to then sort by page title, it groups them together kind of in pseudo folders. Okay. Now let's go to one of these. Let's go to Asking Good Scientific Questions. Now, a page is a course item type that cannot be assigned. Okay, it holds content, and so teachers might do really one of a couple things. They might put their content that is just going to be consumed, a reading, some sort of video or whatnot, on a page, or they might put it on the assignment itself, since both of them are going to have the rich content editor. Okay, but if I click up here and edit, you can see that there is no way to actually submit a page. It does have the rich content editor. But what it doesn't do is it doesn't add a column in the gradebook. And so for teachers that want to keep that gradebook kind of refined and clean for just those items that are being assigned, they might not choose to use an assignment for content they just want to have read. But you can actually add it to a student to do. And so by adding student to do, you can click a date, and what it will do is it will actually put it in their to-do list and on their calendar. I'm not going to do this since this is already an assignment my students are using. But again, you have all the different features of any document that has the rich content editor. Now, if we look at the module view, there we go. You can easily identify which ones are pages because they look like little documents. Okay, these are the document, and here you can see again the assignment, and that's going to show the difference between them. And so I've used them pages, and for my example is that I've given the essential question, and I'll just kind of go through a couple of these. And so you can see essential question. This is just done using a table. I have my image that indicates that they should choose the next button. Here, I just wanted them to watch a video and take some notes, but it's not an assignment that I'm actually going to collect and grade. And then finally, I've actually embedded, let's see if we can get to that next page. There we go. There we go. A digital whiteboard using the app. And then students are able to come back here and they can view this whiteboard at another time. So you're able to embed things as well. So that's the page, and you can get to by, again, viewing all page. What you might see here is that if they are using a page for their home page, it will show that home page here, but then there will be a button that says view page. If you need to create a page, you just come up here to the plus page button, or you could do this on the module view as well, but you can just click there and it takes you into the rich content editor, put a title and everything else. So that's the page.